Alright, January 16th, I think it is. 15th, 16th, something there. It's a Saturday. And here we are sorting out our steel list. We're doing a dump run with heavy steel. So anything that's 4mm and above is heavies. So all the steel pipe, not the iron's light steel. But all the heavy stuff, the steel mesh, the steel reinforcing for the concrete, any of the heavy steel, the posts, the pipes, all the stuff that's heavy. See, that's that strap there. It's light steel. It's not acceptable. It's all heavies. So you've got to separate all the heavies. So that's the back of a TV there. That's light steel. That went yesterday. That's 4mm steel checker plate. So that's heavy. So we've got to go through, sort out all our list. We've already taken 6 tonne of steel down over the last 2 weeks, and we need to make rent again. So another load of steel. We've got to take 1.5 tonne at least just to make rent. So that'll keep us going for a little while yet to fill this trailer. Okay, that's what I just thought I'd show you what we're doing, and what we're going to do is cut it down to size. Of course, I've got to cut it down to fit on the trailer, and we've got a little bit of stuff on top of the car to weigh it down. Okay, so that's what we're up to. Trying to get some heavy steel to go down the tip with all our small stuff. There's some little plates in there, all the 10mm plate, 8 and 10mm plate, 15mm plate. All got to come out and pick it all up. It's a good clean up as we try and get the old stumps so we don't. They've been sitting there for quite a long time, as it's all part of the stump business, as we get rid of all this heavy steel. So that's what we're up to, and of course we're out there looking, actively looking for more. So that's what we're doing for the scrap, and as we bring it in, we throw it in this heap, and then we sort it out as we take it to the tip. So that's our steel bundle. Of course, we've got all our other steel we use for jobs. So we don't want to use any of that. We only want to take the scrap away, stuff we're not going to use again. All right. So that's just a quick one on us doing some scrapping. Catch you again soon. Bye.